to Karen's Classroom. Please subscribe to my page. Thank you so much. Today we're going to learn about numbers. Okay, so numbers. Numbers. Two types of numbers. One is cardinal, and this is the amount. The amount. The second one is ordinal. And ordinal is the position of the number, where it is. First of all, I want you to learn cardinal numbers. The amount. The amount. So for example, how old are you? How old are you? I'm 21 years old. I'm 21 years old. I'm 30 years old. I'm 30 years old. I'm 10 years old. I'm 10 years old. Okay, another example. How many people are there in your family? How many people are there in your family? How many people are there in your family? There are 5 people in my family. There are 5 people in my family. There are 2 people in my family. There are 2 people in my family. There are 7 people in my family. There are 7 people in my family. Okay, very good. So cardinal numbers are the amount. So we're just going to practice. I found a page in a book that I want to practice with you, class. Okay, and it's just the numbers, okay? The amount. So let's go ahead and we're going to practice pronunciation, the numbers. Okay, class. So let's practice numbers. So first of all, numbers. Numbers. 1. 1. 1 van. 1 van. 2. 2. 2 elephants. 2 elephants. 3. 3. 3 dogs. 3 dogs. 4. 4. 4 umbrellas. 4 umbrellas. 5. 5. 5 penguins. 5 penguins. 6. 6. 6 violins. 6 violins. 7. 7. 7 cats. 7 cats. 8. 8. 8 hats. 8 hats. 9. 9. 9 flowers. 9 flowers. 10. 10. 10 bananas. 10 bananas. 11. 11. 11 geckos. 11 geckos. 12. 12. 12 fish. 12 fish. 13. 13. 13 ice cream cones. 13 ice cream cones. 14. 14. 14 birds. 14 birds. 15. 15. 15 apples. 15 apples. 16. 16. 16 tomatoes. 16 tomatoes. 17. 17. 17 eggs. 17 eggs. 18. 18. 18 keys. 18 keys. 19. 19. 19 ladybugs. 19 ladybugs. 20. 20. 20 ants. 20 ants. Okay, so the second part of our numbers is ordinal. So ordinal is the position. Ordinal numbers position. Ordinal numbers position. Also, I like to think of it so I can remember is by saying ordinal is like the order. The order. So what order is it in? So if we look here, I have two examples for you, class. The first one is, what floor do you live on? What floor do you live on? So you could say, I live on the first, or we could say first, just like this. I live on the first floor, so that's the one on the very bottom, okay? Or I can say I live on the third floor. Okay, so if you have a building here, all right, so we've got first right here on the very bottom. Okay, then we have second. And then here we have third. Okay, so I can say I live on the first floor, I live on the third floor, or I live on the second floor. All right, let's look at our next example. Is this your first trip to our country? And you might be thinking, what is trip? Trip is vacation. Okay, vacation. You go to Hawaii, Cancun, San Diego, Las Vegas. It's a trip. It's a vacation. So, is this your first trip to our country? So I say, no. It's my second trip. Second trip. Okay, it's my second trip. Or I can say it's my third trip. Or maybe my fourth trip. Okay, whatever number it is. It's the position. First, second, third, fourth, fifth. Okay. So let's practice. The first one here. What floor do you live on? What floor do you live on? I live on the first floor. I live on the first floor. I live on the third floor. I live on the third floor. Number 2. Is this your first trip to our country? Is this your first trip to our country? No. It's my second trip. No, it's my third trip. Now, maybe it is your first, so you could just say yes. Yes, it is. And that's fine too. Very good, class. Okay, so let's look here. We have some animals. We have a dog. We have a cat. We have a bear. We have an owl. And we have a lion. Okay, so the position or the order, ordinal, of these animals. Okay, so the dog is number 1, yes. But we don't say number 1, we say first. So the dog is first. F-I-R-S-T. And we can write it like this. First. No, let's not put that there. First. Okay, the cat. Cat is number 2, yes. But we're not going to say that because it's in order. It's the position. So we're going to say second. Okay, and we can put number 2 and this little ND at the top. The bear, number 3, yes, but that would be 1, 2, 3. 3 animals. But I want to know position, the order. So first, second, here we're going to say third. Okay, third. Okay, the owl, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, the amounts, 1, 2, 3, 4, yes. But what is the position? The owl is number 4, yes, but he is fourth. Good. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we have number 5, but in order, the ordinal number, the position, what would this be? Fifth. Fifth. So, fifth. Fifth. It's a hard one to say, I know. Okay, so let's practice. The dog is first. The dog is first. The cat is second. The cat is second. The bear is third. The bear is third. The owl is fourth. The owl is fourth. The lion is fifth. The lion is fifth. So let's practice. First, first, second, second, third, third, fourth, fourth, fifth, fifth. Very good, class. Excellent. Okay, let me show you something else too. When we talk about the date, so today, oh my goodness, I don't even know what date it is. Okay, class, so now we're going to talk about dates. I know this is very difficult because I know a lot of students want to say April 15. Today is April 15. Well, how we say it is April 15th. 15th. So it's like 5th, 15th. 15th. So today is April 15th. April 15th is correct. Not April 15. April 15th. Let's practice. May 25? No. May 25th. May 25th. 25th. June 10? No. June 10th. 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 July 12? No. July 12th. July 12th. Okay, let's practice. April 15th. April 15th. 2020. 2020. May 25th. May 25th. 2020. 2020. June 10th. June 10th. 2020. 2020. July 12th. July 12th. 2020. 2020. Excellent. Very good, class. Okay, thank you so much for joining me with numbers. I hope you learned a lot today, and I hope you have a wonderful day. I'll see you soon. Bye.